What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Ben Swap channel. Today we're going to be working in the mobile rig that we do repairs out of. So let me turn this camera around and show you what we're going to be doing today. So here we have the floor in the box truck. We're going to be cutting a section of the floor out and then recessing that basket you just seen with the generator in it right there, and then put a lid with hinges we can flip up to add gas or check the oil and stuff like that. So here we go. Let's blast all on the floor. So on this specific truck, we're going to be putting it between the muffler and the side right here. And I measured from the side right here all the way to the muffler. We got 22 inches. And then I need to subtract the thickness right here. And that's all we have right there. This little track right here is only for the door, so that the door can slide in and out. So I'm going to measure from the inside of this to the muffler now, so we can get that box centered in here, side to side. Just like that, we got us a hole in the floor. Now to get that baby skirted up, bolted down, throw the lid on, get the AC rolling. Went ahead and threw the caulk on it, try and prevent some rattling. Now we're going to drop it down and continue riveting, since the rivets will be flush on this side and stick out the back. If I riveted it now and try to put it in, then they would hit the sides. So, and also put caulking around all these to prevent these panels from rattling. Alright, so we got this baby in there, got all the rivets in. Now we're going to get the hinge on the back side and make it so that the door can go up and it'll be against the access for the door. That way we can add the gas. Just like that, we got this baby all riveted down. Insulation, very nice. Alright, so it's been a few days. We were able to use this, but it trips on the carbon monoxide sensor just because the exhaust kind of just exits right here. So we ordered a exhaust kit and we're going to be routing that in today. So right here we have the Amazon special exhaust kit. It's got a couple different flanges. Just a little cheap, I think it was like 80 bucks. And a muffler. And some pipe clamps. This is the one that we're going to be using. I already pulled off the this little coupling thing. I think it's called the spark arrestor. Got that baby removed just to make sure that, let's put it this way, just to make sure this would even fit for our application, and it does. So we're going to go ahead and mount this onto the generator, and then this will allow us to mount the pipe on there like this, and then we'll be able to find a way to hang this big old fat muffler under the box truck. So here we go. Alright, so we went ahead and pulled the generator out of the cubby hole, and we went to line this up, and the pipe is actually the same size as the pipe. So now we're just going to have to cut this lip off. I'm sure they make some of these that fit better, but yeah, everything's going to be fine. It's going to go in there and it's going to do its thing. So here we go. Alright, so went ahead, hit that baby with the grinder, got it all flush. Looks like the left side's sticking out just a hair. I guess it doesn't from this angle. Everything looks fine. So now we're going to go ahead and bolt that baby on there. If I can turn the phone on it. And yeah, make sure that this fits through the little cover that goes over this too. I'll check that first. Alright, so in order for this to fit on this access cover, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. And when I flipped it over, I'm just gonna literally cut along the inside of that like hexagon. So yeah, let me cut that baby out with the oscillating tool and we'll keep on moving forward. All right, so first I just cut this out on the back side, and then this part was sticking out, looked kind of ugly. So I just went ahead and ran it along here and got that off. So now we totally have plenty of room. So now we'll get this bolted on, throw this back in the hole, and then get the mount for the muffler mounted up. All right, that baby's on there good and tight. So now we can put the other cover on and throw it back in the hole. Alrighty, so I ended up trimming a little more because this was like somewhere through here straight across. Just went ahead and trimmed that just so I have more room all the way around. And now we'll throw this baby back in the hole and run the exhaust.